Removing the background from a picture can be done using many graphic editing tools, but most of them cost money. And when you find a good tool that can remove backgrounds for free, you have found something special. To help you a little bit, I found a great free tool that can help you with that. It's called the Creative Fabrica Background Remover. Let me tell you all about it. Creative Fabrica is a website where you can find millions of graphics, fonts and other graphic elements that you can use for your designs. And inside their studio, they have multiple useful tools that are free to use. One of these tools is a free background remover, and using this tool is super easy. Here is what you do. Go to the Creative Fabrica website and find the Studio section. Hover over the section, go to the Other Tools section and find Remove Background. Click on it. To make it even more simple, you can use the link in the video description that will lead you directly to this tool. Now, after opening the tool, you can either drag an image to it or upload it from your computer. Wait a moment while the tool automatically removes the background. Once done, you will see two pictures. On the left side is the original picture, and on the right side is a picture without a background. You can zoom in to see how effective this tool is. If you are satisfied, you can easily save your new picture to your computer by clicking on the Download Image button. While I like this tool, I have an issue because I cannot work with the picture when the tool does not remove the background correctly. But still, I hope I haven't gotten you excited about trying out the Creative Fabrica Background Remover. It's free and it's easy. Why not give it a shot? You might be surprised at how much you enjoy playing around with your pictures. So, I hope you found this video helpful. If you want, like the video and subscribe to the channel to learn more about graphic design.